on, everyone? Got a 2023 Volkswagen Golf GTI. We're going to reset the service. I'll show you how to get into the menu. Got the car off right now. We're going to hit the engine start stop button one time with our foot off the brake. Power the cluster up. Now you're going to hit the right menu button right here. And you're going to go up and down until you see travel time and distance, okay? Now you're going to press and hold down the right menu button for at least like 6 to 8 seconds. Okay, with that menu pulled up. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. I'm just doing 8. Let go. This is your service menu right here. This is where we're going to reset inspection, reset oil change. We just did the oil change on it, so we're going to go in here and reset that. All right. So I hope this video was helpful. Yeah, hopefully you can hit the like button for me or leave me a comment.